In this video, we'll discuss how to find out the expression for electric potential at a point due to an electric dipole. We have considered an electric dipole of dipole moment P is equal to 2aq. Here it is shown in the diagram by AB. And O is the center of the electric dipole and P is the point at a distance r from the center of the dipole, where we have to find out the expression for electric potential due to this electric dipole. You know that electric potential is a scalar quantity. So what we do, we will find out the electric potential at point P due to plus Q charge. Then we will find out electric potential at point P due to minus Q charge. Then we will add them simply as we add two scalar quantities. So V1 is the electric potential at point P due to plus Q charge. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R1, where R1 is the distance of point P from charge plus Q, and R2 distance of point P from the charge minus Q. So V2 electric potential at point P due to minus Q charge, this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R2. So electric potential at point P will be the scalar sum of the two potentials V1 and V2. So V is equal to V1 plus V2. Substitute the values. This is equation 1. Now see the diagram. Here in triangle BCP, using Pythagoras theorem, write the equation. Now again write Pythagoras theorem in triangle OCP. So from triangle BCP, you will get CP square is equal to R1 square minus BC square, and from triangle OCP, you will get CP square as R square minus OC square. Equating these two, now in place of OC, you can write OC as OB plus BC. So OB plus BC square. Now expanding it using A plus B whole square, you will get this one. Now OB is equal to A, and how to find out BC? Let us see how to find out this one BC. So this is R. So OC is equal to R cos theta. R cos theta, and this is A. So R cos theta minus A, you will give you BC. So put the value of BC, R cos theta minus A, and solve it. You will get R1 square is equal to R square plus A square minus 2AR cos theta. Taking R square as common, then R is much greater than A, so neglecting higher powers of A by R, you will get this. Now taking reciprocal, we can write this one. Taking a square root, both sides, we will come to here. Expanding binomially, we will get 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R in bracket 1 plus A by R cos theta. Similarly, we can show that 1 by r2 is equal to 1 minus a by r cos theta. Substituting the values of 1 by r1 and 1 by r2 in equation 1, we will get this expression, simplifying which we will get 2aq cos theta 4 pi epsilon naught r square. 2aq is dipole moment p cos theta 4 pi epsilon r square. In terms of vector notations, we can write p dot r cap by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Now, when point P is on the axis of the electric dipole, theta will be 0 or theta will be pi. And when it is present on the equatorial line, then theta is equal to 90 degree. So, when point P is on dipole axis, then theta is equal to 0 degree or theta is equal to pi degree. When theta is 0, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r square, and when theta is pi, it is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r square. When point is on equatorial line, theta is equal to pi by 2. Substituting the value, you will get V is equal to 0. So, electric potential at a point on an equatorial line is 0. So, no work is done in moving any charge from one point to another on equatorial line. This you must keep in memory for short answer questions. Thank you.